couple things to go over before we start this video. I asked this question in my last video. So now that I have this amazing kit, I need a name for it. I need you guys to give me names in the comment section. I'm just gonna pick my favorite. So make it a good one. And I got one response. So let's try to do that again. So right before making this video, I just realized that this kit is not on Sweetwater anymore. So if you want to buy this kit, you're gonna have to get it somewhere besides Sweetwater. This is a 7-ply Birch shell. It's an 18x22 kick drum. It's got 2 pillows in it right now, and I currently have the heads tuned to the lowest that they still sound nice on. This is the 14x16 floor tom. It's got isolation legs, real thick rubber on the bottom to help isolate the sound. And then I also have these heads tuned pretty far down, pretty low. It's also a 7-ply Birch.
As time goes by.
This is a 14x14 floor tom. It's the 7-ply with Birch, and it also has the isolation floor tom legs.
For all time's sake.
This is also a 7-ply Birch. It's a 14x5.5 snare drum. I've kind of already eaten through the head right here, but that's totally fine. So this is without the snares on. Got a lot of overtone, but I personally like it because whenever I'm playing, you can't really hear it, and it still lets the snare drum be full without putting any dampening on it, and just completely, to me, ruining the sound. And this is with the snares on.
Some of the old songs.
This is a 9x12 rack tom. It's also a 7-ply Birch. It's got an STM mount, which is a suspended tom mount. It's 1,000 times better than a tom arm, like a T arm, an L arm, whatever you want to call them. Because for one, it doesn't just put a massive hole in the side of your drums. It keeps it mounted, and it's also loose, so it lets your toms hang, and it evenly distributes the pressure, which I really like. So this is my tom 2. size tom. Right now it also has an STM mount. There you have it. There's my PDP Concept Birch series. A lot of drums. I'm actually planning on getting another higher tom, but that's gonna cost a lot of money. That's really tall.